Welcome back, this is Earl Samm. Today we are going to be solving this exponential equation. As you can see, it says 9 raised to the power x equal to 90. If you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. Solution. Now what we have is 9 raised to the power x equal to 90. Now we can introduce logarithms. So log 9 raised to the power x equal to log 90. And remember this law of logarithm that says if you have log, let's say a raised to the power n, it can be written as n log a. That's this n as the power comes down here. So this law applies. So we can apply this law here. So this will give us x log 90 equal, x log 9 equal to log 90. And now we can divide both sides by log 9 divided by log 9, so that this cancels this and we'll have our x equal to log 90 divided by log 9. Okay, we can break this 90 into two numbers and it gives us log 90 is 9 multiplied by 10 over, down here we have log 9. Okay, now remember this law of logarithm that says if you have log a plus log b, it is equal to log a multiplied by b. So if the argument of a log has a product, you can break it into the sum of the individual argument with log. So log a plus log b is log a multiplied by b. So now we're having the log a multiplied by b. Do I go up? Okay, so we have log a multiplied by b. So applying this law now here, it will give us x equal to log 9 plus log 10 all over log 9. And now we can split this fraction. So we have x equal to log 9 over log 9 plus log 10 over log 9. So log 9 here 1, log 9 here 1. So our x equals to 1, that's 1 over 1 is 1 plus log 10 divided by log 9. Okay, so from here, remember our change of base. If I were to make both to base 10, so we'll have x equal to 1 plus log, I'm making both to base 9. So that will be 1 plus log 10 base 9. So this is our answer for x. Now we can prove this by putting the value of x into the original equation so that we see if this 9 raised to the power x will give us 90. So let's focus on the left hand side and see. Check. So our left hand side is 9 raised to the power x, which is equal to 90. So let's place this value in it and see if it will give us 90. So we'll have 9 raised to the power, our x is 1 plus log 10 base 9. Okay, now remember our law of indices, product law. This can give us 9 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 9 raised to the power log 10 base x. So I'm splitting this following the first law of indices. Remember that p raised to the power x plus y is p raised to the power x multiplied by p raised to the power y. So this is the law I just applied here to bring this down here. So we have 1 plus log 10 base 9. So it gives us 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by 9 raised to power log 10 base 9, sorry. Now, there's this law of logarithm that says that if you have, let's say x base a, and now this is the power of a. That's a number having a power which is logarithm. Now, if the base of that logarithm as the power is the same as the number, your answer is x. It's just like this is cancelling this. That's how I present it better. So this law applies. So if I apply that law here, watch, you have 9 and this log having a base of 9. So this will give us 9 raised to power 1 is 9 multiplied by this cancelling this to give us 10. And 9 multiplied by 10 is 90. So remember, our 9 raised to power x is 90, which we have just proven, and is equal to 90. So proven. So our x is actually 1 plus log 10 base 9. So I remain Earl Samm. Kindly subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. Now, in the last video I posted where I solved an exponential equation like this, most students wanted me to use lane. Why didn't we use lane? I had that questions a lot. So if we use natural logarithm, it is better and easier for you to get your answer than using natural logarithm in cases like this. So peace out.